Good evening, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the Indian stock market projection August to December 2021. Disclaimer: out of 10 predictions made, I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct. Viewers are requested to make a note of this point. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. Previous prediction check. Earlier in March, April 2021, I had predicted a bull run for 6 months starting from 16/6/2021. Also, I am giving my previous prediction slides. This one was predicted on 29/5/2021, stating the reasons why indexes are not falling. See, this is true till today. This is one of my long-term projections that Nifty will be around 30,000 to 45,000 points in the year 2026. This was also one of my prediction slides. I state that around 17/9/2021, Nifty will be a solid 15,900 plus. I mean, after this point, I don't think ever Nifty is going to fall back below 16,000. That is 15,900. So all my long-term predictions had come true, except that I had expected a low point around 17/8/2021. It did not occur. But the markets had a strong reason to fall. And the fall in the US market, this Fed thing, and the Chinese market fall down. But it affected Indian market only a little. Indian market did not fall that much. So let's come to the current projection. Uh, Today, which is 23/8/2021, Nifty is 16,496 and Bank Nifty is 35,124. From this point, we can look at the projection. From now, I see only a limited opportunity for downfall and a lot of scope for uptrend. I am predicting the bull run as early as from March 2021. I'm not saying now that it is a bull run, I'm saying it from March 2021. In the next 4 months, the possible Nifty points which Nifty may lose is between 500 to 1000 points. But the possibility of rise of Nifty is 2000 to 4000 points. I will not be surprised if Nifty touches 20k, which is 20,000 in December 2021. In the worst circumstances, I expect Nifty to reach at least 18k. My paper trade. In my paper trade, I had purchased Bank Nifty at the rate of 35,750. Now Bank Nifty is few hundred points less than the purchase price. I am not selling it. I expect few thousand points rise in Bank Nifty before December 2021. Also, I am purchasing Nifty on 24/8/2021. If Nifty can touch 20,000 points in December 2021, then it is a solid 15 to 18% profit. My fail safe is this, the next projection slide. See, I calculate the future and I take the risk. Even my short-term prediction fails, the long-term prediction is always there, this is going to cover. So I dare to buy even at this rate. This is the advantage of knowing the future. I am predicting the bull run from March 2021. When the market falls, market had fallen during 16 to 18/6/2021. Viewers could have thought that my prediction failed. Look what happens now. Now nobody can deny that it is a bull run. My paper trade is not only to earn money, but also to prove that point that fate can be changed, fixed, yours and as well as others' fate. This thing, yeah, it is not quite visible, but the same picture was given in earlier projection videos also. You can see this. In this, I say that using one fate, another fate can be changed. Using Nifty's horoscope, you can change anybody's horoscope. Uh, the basic requirement is somehow you have to be sure of one fate. Not only this, I am taking Nifty as an example. You can change if you have a powerful horoscope. I mean, it not necessarily that it has to be your horoscope. It may be something else like Nifty or some country's horoscope. Say, for example, United States horoscope is much stronger than the other country's horoscope. If you have such a thing, you can change others' fate. If it can be done, then you can fix others' fate also. So you can also practice this thing. You may not be able to understand this fully now. In the next video, I will tell you more about it. Now let us come to the current scenario. It's about mid cap and small cap. Mid cap and cap are performing badly. It is because earlier mid cap and cap had done better than Nifty. So it is like a even out, a balancing act. In the longer run, the growth of the market will be balanced. Market will grow. Lot of foreign money will flow into Indian stock market. When that occurs, we can see the real bull run. I don't want to miss it, so I am buying Nifty tomorrow. First attempt to sell my purchase would be on the high point I have predicted on 17/9/2021. Whenever I make my paper trade, you can notice that I am buying it at a high point and still making profit. I don't really depend upon logical expectation of the market or practically what can happen on the ground. I depend on the good yogas and the bad yogas in the Indian stock market. That is the real astrology prediction. Thank you.